It's quite easy in PatientPath to get a little bit lost. I'm just going to show you a few tips and tricks to help you out if you ever don't know where you are. One of the issues with PatientPath is that there are lots of links that you can click that don't really take you anywhere interesting. So here I am on the dashboard and there's a link here, here, here and here. One of these takes me through to where I want to go, the submitted HTAB form. But for example, if I click this link, it takes me to a page about the Addenbrooke's Hospital HTA form completion team. So I'm completely lost now and I don't know what to do. The number one tip in this situation is to click this X on the right hand corner of the screen. Now this X takes you back to where you were before. I like to imagine that it's effectively closing the window I'm in now and taking me back to where I was before. So if I click that X, it takes me back to the dashboard. That doesn't just apply on the dashboard, but if we open a new HTAB form, I start completing it, and I accidentally click a link in this lookup, again another really common problem, click OK, takes me to a page. It doesn't really help me, but as long as I remember to click this X, it'll take me back to the form where I was a minute ago. If you're ever really lost, you can always use the navigation menu, which is up here. Click this arrow, click dashboards, and then select your dashboard. If you're a Transplant Centre user, it'll be called the Transplant Centre User Dashboard. Just click it and it'll take you back to your dashboard.